Dumelang, welcome back to Tswana class. Today we are going to learn one of the letters that if you can get how it sounds, then you are good to go in Botswana. And this is the letter T. Uh, this is the letter T. Initially, I had planned to go alphabetically with all this stuff and teaching you how every letter of the alphabet sound. But I realized that some of the letters they do sound like how they are in English, so it will take a long time for us to go through all that. So this is one of the most important letters in the Setswana language because it doesn't sound how it sounds in English. So this word, this word in English is that. That. I mean, there is no that word in Setswana. But if it was, it would be tat, tat, tat. Hopefully, I'm not confusing you. Okay, here's the other common Setswana name that you're going to find, and I think a lot of people pronounce it wrong. Yeah, a lot of English speakers are tempted to call this dato, dato, or tato, tato. But this is tato, ta, 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 tato. I don't know how to explain this, but just forget about how this T will sound with TH is like in English, in English, so almost like a D, but this is like kind of soft in Setswana. So if you see somebody called that, their name is not Tato, their name is not Thaato, their name is Tato, Tato. And there's so many other words that are written like this, like for example, Tata, Tata. And that goes like this again. Let's say Tuto, Tuto. I guess I should explain that Tuto is education, education. I'm just gonna abbreviate it. Education, Tuto. Or you can say ithuta Setswana. Ithuta ke. Oh, that's a K. This K is struggling. Ithuta Setswana. Oh, let me just write it properly. Ke ithuta Setswana. Ke ithu tu tuta tuta. You see how it sounds? Da da tuta. That's how it sounds in Setswana. Ithuta Setswana. Tuta Setswana. Everywhere it is, it's kind of like it's there, but it's subtle. It's not like how in English it goes like temporary. This is why in most of people when people are speaking Setswana, mixing it with English, and they are saying um, this word. This is just an example. You hear a lot of people saying tu because they are saying it in Setswana. So um, I do hope that this will help you. When you are learning Setswana, just remember that this letter T is not it doesn't sound how it sounds in English in Setswana. Wow, that's a twist. Remember, tato, Tato. I go by Tato, by the way, sometimes. Tato, not Tato, not Tato. Tato. Go phela re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang. Go siame. Salang sen. Until we meet again next time, have a good day.